a blood donation camp at your college. Okay, so here uh, it is about college activities. Okay, a report on college activity. So activity can be any. Okay, it can be blood donation activity, it can be annual activity, annual day celebration activity, or it can be a rally for saving petrol. Okay, so activity can be any, it is just an example. If we are studying this a blood donation camp at your college, so it is an example that in this way you you can write a report on activity at your college. Okay, so activity can be varied. So first we read the report, blood donation camp at Sir Pepi Institute of Science. So you can replace, you can put your own college name. Okay, blood donation camp at Gnan Manjari group of colleges. Great response from the students. Okay, 78 girls donated and total 250 bottles collected. Okay, so first you saw that it was a main heading in black letters. Okay, bold black letters, it is main heading, that is a blood donation camp at your college. Okay, then the main heading is in line, blood donation camp at Sir Pepi Institute of Science, that you can replace by your college name, Gyan Manjari group of colleges. Great response from the students, 78 girls donated and total 250 bottles collected. Okay, as many as 250 bottles were collected in a blood donation camp at Gyan Manjari group of colleges. I will replace the name Bhavnagar. On, you can put a date which is before 2 to 3 days. Okay, at least before 2 to 3 days. Okay, you cannot put all dates. Okay, if you are writing this report in exam, okay, then the exam is in August. Okay, perhaps it is in August, then you can it's on 8th August, your exam is on 8th August, then you can put here 7th August or 6th August. Okay, the NSS unit of the college organized a blood donation camp with the help of blood bank. The camp was organized at the C.V. Raman Hall of the college. The students showed great enthusiasm. હવે જો, first of all, is there any particular body who organized the blood donation camp? Okay, so yes, the NSS unit, so you can put NSS unit there. Okay, so when you observe your college, when you observe other students, when you observe all activities carried out in your college, then you can put all together here. Okay, if you know that there is a board like unit, sorry, there is a unit like NSS, then you can put here that NSS organized this activity in our college. Okay, but NSS individually cannot carry out this activity. Okay, so then you need blood bank. Okay, because they will get the blood and all the activity they can do. Okay, with the help of blood bank, The camp was organized at the C.V. Raman Hall of the college. The students showed great enthusiasm. It means they came to donate the blood. Okay. The coordinator, Professor R.M. Makwana, welcomed the team of the blood bank. Okay, if someone or many people are coming to your college for an activity, just here like a blood bank person. Okay, the person who are working in blood bank. So the main coordinator should welcome them first. He outlined the program. The camp was opened by the principal, Dr. S.V. Joshi. He inspired the students to donate blood. He asked to donate blood in great numbers. There is no any harm to donate blood. Okay, we have this phobia, or we can say we have this આપણે કોઈક વાર છે ને બ્લડ આપવાથી બીએ that there are many disadvantages of donating blood that we think. ઓકે, કે કદાચ ઝાડા થઈ જશું, કદાચ આપણામાંથી બ્લડ ઓછું થઈ જશે, આ બધી માન્યતાઓ આપણી પાસે છે. બટ if you are good enough, if you are healthy enough, then you may go to donate the blood. Then you may go to donate blood. He said in his speech, Dr. Jignesh Kuja of the blood bank motivated the students, saying, the youth should donate blood regularly as service to mankind is a service to God. Here it is God. The service to mankind is a service to God. Okay, here there is two times mankind. There are some misleading facts about blood donation. Any healthy person can donate blood. Healthy. There is no any side effect. It doesn't affect the body. So donate blood happily. Okay. So first of all, the doctor is coming on the street and saying you this. Okay. So now you should have a clear idea that you are if you are donating blood, then it is good. Okay, and many prejudices are removed by this doctor in his speech that one should donate blood. The team of doctors were present on the place. Dr. Kalpana made a small presentation. It showed how blood donation helps the needy people. She told students to be positive and to be courageous, and they lost nothing. Okay, so we need awareness. Okay, we need to spread awareness regarding blood donation, because when you donate blood, when I donate blood, when anybody donates blood, then there are many lives which are saved. Okay, perhaps I give you an example. If anybody from my family, anybody from your family needs blood on regular basis, okay, so then they have to go to hospital for that blood. Okay, and if anybody or not manybody has donated, okay, then how we will get the blood? So first of all, we should spread the awareness that we should donate blood. Okay, so it will be helpful to needy people. Okay, the principal himself led the way. He was the first one to donate blood. Okay, I think Putin, I think you know Putin is a president of one of the countries. He first got vaccinated. Okay, when his country made the vaccine. Okay, so he first took a dose of it, so all can do that. Okay, કે પુતિન ભાઈ તો બચી ગયા, હવે આપણે તો લેવો જ જોઈએ. Okay, so he became the example of that. So here, principal himself led the way. Okay, he first donated the blood. Okay, some other professors joined him too. This encouraged other students to come forward. Okay, I am saying you donate the blood, you donate blood, but I am not doing that. Okay, then what the purpose of this? Okay, then what is the purpose of spreading awareness? So all should do that. There were 4 beds prepared to collect the blood. As soon as the blood was donated, NSS volunteers helped the donors. They were led to snacks. The arrangement was quite good for them. In the beginning, the girls came in few numbers, but they began coming as many as 78 girls donated blood, which was a wonderful thing. Okay. Kirtana, a first semester girl, said, I was little bit fearful, but the doctor's encouragement helped me to donate. My parents surely will become happy. Okay, will be happy. And that you can write in that way. Will be happy with this step of mine. Total 250 bottles were collected which was a great success. The other coordinators, Professor N.J. Joshi and Professor K.R. Walia, had taken great responsibility on their shoulders. Through various teams, they made it. Okay, if you are organizing any activity in your college, okay, then you need many people who can work for that activity. Suppose you are organizing just an annual day. Okay, it is organized by students, suppose. Okay, then you will need help of many people, from peon to the professor, okay, to the principal, to the director. All the people will be involved in one activity. Okay, at the end, the program, a small program, was organized. At the end, okay, you can remove program. Then at the end, the small program was organized ed, to honor some students. The mayor of the city, Mrs. Nibuben Babhania, was invited. The students who donated blood more than 5 times were given special certificates and trophies. Okay, the students who have donated blood in past also, okay, and it is the 5th time when they are donating in this camp, they were honored by the mayor. Okay, so you have to write the name of great personality or someone from politics or someone from any good field. Okay, you can write the name of that person. A special merit certificate, a trophy, was given to Aman Patel, student of the last semester, as he donated blood for 11 times. In her speech, the mayor congratulated the students, the college, and the organizers for service to the society. She said, we need such students who are ready to help humanity. The small act is a big step to the society. So, we know that India is having the highest number of youth in the world. Okay, કે આપણે તે યુથની સંખ્યા બહુ જ છે. સો ચાઇનાની વસ્તી, ચાઇનાની પોપ્યુલેશન એ સૌથી વધારે છે અત્યારે દુનિયામાં, બટ એમની પાસે યુથની સંખ્યા એટલી નથી જેટલી ઇન્ડિયામાં છે. ઓકે, એન્ડ વી આર ધ સેકન્ડ largest in population. Okay, which is going to be first in some years. સો યુથ પાસેથી જેટલું કામ લેવું હોય એટલું લઈ શકાય ને એના દ્વારા દેશને આગળ વધારી શકાય. ઓકે, you may read સ્વામી વિવેકાનંદ રિગાર્ડિંગ this, કારણ કે સ્વામી વિવેકાનંદ છે એમને યુથમાં બહુ ઇન્ટરેસ્ટ હતો. એ યુથને ઇન્સ્પાયર કરવાની વાત બહુ જ કરતા હતા અને પોતે તે યુથમાં જ મરી ગયા હતા. મેં વિચારવાને ઘણું બધું કરી નાખ્યું હશે, 34 કે 32 વર્ષની ઉંમરે સમથિંગ. ઓકે, અને ત્યારે એમનું ડેથ થઈ ગયું. Professor K. Arvalia, the coordinator, thanked the principal for leading the way. He also expressed gratitude to the blood bank and the doctors. He credited the success of the camp to the students who participated in the camp and donated willingly. If anybody is organizing camp, blood donation camp in your college, but you are not donating blood, okay, then it is not good, because there was not a purpose of blood donation. Okay, but if you are willingly donating the blood, then it is really good for that activity, for blood bank, for many people. The opening and the closing formalities were managed by Professor Jairam Jani, and he was assisted by a group of active students. Okay, so here it is a long or small, that you can decide, report on blood donation camp. Okay, so maybe you can write it very well, because you are a student and you can write your feeling in that. Okay, that what you observed, what you experienced during the activity, and what happened during the activity. Okay, so thank you.